Hey guys, today we're going on a train ride, and here's my little pig. Hello, I'm Piggy. And I'll show you before I go. Slothy's in the second seat of the train. And there's Nick. And then there's Grandma. And then there is Hulk. I am Caden. I know everything in the world. So, okay, let's skip this. We're here, everybody. Let's go. Okay, now let's go into the waiting room. Come on, K-Team, go in the waiting room.
We're in the waiting room.
I'm Caden Grimes, of course. That's my other friends of the K-Team. Okay, let's wait and wait. Okay, it's time to go. It's our turn to try this electrifying. So this is the chair that can help us look like we're going to Alder. So let's go look. How do we start this? I'm glad you asked. Yeah. Boom! Piggy comes. Just go. So, now it's your turn. It's your turn. Of you three. And that's Slothy's turn after. Then, on and off button 2 times. Okay, now go. Close your eyes. Snore. Uh-oh! It's time to wake you up. Slothy, it's your turn.
Slothy's turn.
Wait, you have to turn on the button. Okay. Okay, done. Now we have to go to the next level. First, we have to go back to K-Team room to get our gear on so we can go look out. Are you ready? Are you ready? Come on. We went to our production. So, we're going to have to get our gear to go to the other room. It says we have to get a couple things. We have to get like 2 things to get into the lodge of the production. Oh, I can't find stuff on my label. It says
Want me to hold it?
1 dash. Find this. You know, it won't work for me. Ah! Find a better thing for the production. Okay, Slothy, next production person. Okay. In this book, it says that there's been a lot of like hard stuff we could do in the K-Team. Like this guy got, oh my gosh. There's like, what can we do? Does $10 do good? I mean, I think $10 is great. No, Intercontinental Championship has more gold. No. 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 Bravo. You did a great show, everybody. Happy K-Team!